there, Hawks! Thanks to popular demand, we're back! And because of this sudden added budget, I can actually have not one, but two special guests.
It's frickin' cold. I can't feel my toes.
And Biz is gonna stay outside during today's program because I don't want all those cooties up in my kitchen.
Wait, that wasn't in the contract.
Shh! We're running out of time for cooking! Now today we have a really special episode of Cooking with Dylan. Because it's the holidays, we're making decorative cookies!
Woo! Yay!
So first we need to make the cookie dough. So, on with the ingredients. Oh. And now, we chill.
Wow. Who could have imagined that?
Oh, hi! Draw four!
We're playing Go Fish! You're next.
And now the part you've all been waiting for, cookie decorating.
Oh yeah!
Here's mine. It's Colonel Sanders. We didn't have any red, so I just used pink, and we didn't have any black, so I just used purple and blue.
I made a snake!
Wow!
It's very pretty. Look at him.
And there! Perfect holiday cookies.
I wouldn't say perfect, but...
I think so.
Well, there you have it. Happy holidays, Hawks!
Hey, you should probably... Oh, whoops. You should probably put that fire out, maybe.
It's fine.
It'll be fine, we're good.